Hello friends, welcome to SS channel Little Chef. Friends, today I'm going to make cake. How to make the perfect eggless cake with icing top. Take a glass of milk and pour it in the bowl. After that, take a lemon and squeeze it and rest it for 15 minutes. After that, whisk it. Now pour oil in it and mix it well. For more taste, add fresh cream. Now add 2 cups of powdered sugar. After that, mix it in only one direction. For the flavor, add vanilla essence. And pour in it. And mix it. And keep aside. Now take a bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And add baking powder 1/2 teaspoon of good quality. And also take 1/4 teaspoon of eating soda of good quality. And mix it. And sieve it well. Now mix this powder in the cake batter. And mix it. Is ready. Heat the oven and grease the bowl. Pour cake batter in it and tap it. And keep it in the oven for 30 minutes. Now we prepare whipping cream. Keep ice in a bowl and place a bowl on it with a whisk. And take whipping cream and pour in the bowl. And whip it. The consistency is not thick. Add icing sugar. For the flavor, add vanilla essence and continuously whip the cream in only one direction. Now the cake is ready, so let's check the cake by pricing it with a toothpick. Now remove the butter paper from all sides of the cake. Full spongy cake. Now sprinkle some sugar syrup on the cake. The whipped cream is ready to apply on the cake. See, it's not falling. Now apply the cream on the cake. Now keep the second layer of the cake and also apply the cream on the second layer and apply the cream on the sides. Now keep the cake in refrigerator. Mix food color in the cream. Apply the colored cream on the cake. Decorate it with flower nozzles. See? write the happy birthday letters with jam. Delicious homemade cake is ready to eat. Thanks for watching this video and like, share, subscribe to my channel.